इंग्लिश बोलना चाहती हूँ लेकिन नहीं बोल सकती। मुझे ये डर हमेशा लगा रहता है कि लोग शायद मेरी इंग्लिश का मजाक उड़ाएंगे। इंग्लिश बहुत हार्ड है, कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो बोल ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ। मैं हमेशा प्रैक्टिस करती रहती हूँ, फिर मेरी इंग्लिश आके इम्प्रूव क्यों नहीं हो रही। इंग्लिश सीखना मेरे बस की बात नहीं है। मैंने अपनी तरफ से सब कर लिया लेकिन मुझे नहीं आ रही है ये लैंग्वेज। ये हर किसी के बस की बात नहीं है। आपको भी ये लगता है? तो ट्रस्ट मी, ये वाला वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है, मे भी थोड़ा सा मोटिवेटिव होने वाला है, क्योंकि मैं इस वीडियो में आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ बहुत अच्छे से 2 एग्जाम्पल, जिनको अगर आप देखेंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि इफ दे कैन वी कैन टू। सो फर्स्ट इज hello everyone and welcome back to Ashvi Thinks YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to motivate you all to speak English, to speak or to practice English. 2 examples that I found on YouTube while scrolling YouTube's. Okay, I just found 2 videos and they are really good. I never think about this topic that I'm going to make a video on it, but after watching that video I really think that I should share that videos to you all so that you can motivate yourself with those videos, with those examples. Both are really popular but we haven't noticed them in a motivational way, so I brought that videos in this video. Hope I didn't get any copyright claim, but still I want to motivate all you people, that's why I brought that video for you guys. But before that, if you came here for the first time and haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Do subscribe Ashvi Thinks YouTube channel and join my YouTube family. Share this video with someone who really wants to learn English. Maybe it motivates him also or her also. And to be honest, I'm just trying to motivate all you people. I never do this ever, and I don't have any script, so I will speak straight to my heart. There is no editing in this. So let me see what can I do in this video. So what is the thing? People used to say that we can't speak in front of other people because we think that we are not enough good in English, in this language. So if we speak this language, if we try to speak, people may laugh, right? People used to say that we know English, we can speak English, but we are not speaking English because we think that people may laugh at them. So they are feeling technically uncomfortable in front of other people just because they think that other will laugh at them, right? This is the first thing. Second thing people say is that it's not too easy to speak English, right? We have to practice a lot, right? But at the same time, some people are saying that I am practicing a lot, but still my English is not improved, right? So these are 2-3 points that I'm going to cover in this video. I bought 2 videos from YouTube. I'll show you a small clip, okay? Just to motivate all you people that if they can do this, you can definitely can do this, guys. Because if you're watching this video, definitely you have phones. You have lot of things to surround yourself with English, okay? Think about that one single reason why you want to learn English. Maybe it's your hobby. Maybe you are passionate about this language. Maybe you love this language. Maybe you need this language to know. Maybe it's necessary for your job. It's necessary for your career. A lot of things are there. Think about that one single reason, not that 100 reasons that we have not environment, we are hesitate, we are not speaking well, there is a lot of problem we are facing in speaking English. Please don't focus on that. Think about that single reason, okay? This is the first thing. Now the video is over there. Watch this video carefully.
There is dal in the chula.
Okay. Dal?
Dal in chula and in the ubbling.
Who kept?
You don't get?
No.
Right. I strongly warning with.
Huh.
Told Myra kept in the dal in the stove. She said I don't put in the dal.
उन्होंने
Please. Now next time,
जाके
please.
मतलब ये क्या है?
When you not understand,
wait,
please
sit.
don't tell me.
I think everyone knows Hindustani Bhav, right? He is a YouTuber. He was in Big Boss House, and this is a clip from Big Boss House, okay? And he's trying to speak English in this video. You can see that. a person who is well known. Okay, he's not like normal person. He's like a celebrity, obviously, right? Still, he's trying to speak English, and where on national TV? Even I can't do this, I guess, but he is doing that on national TV. He don't know well English, he don't know good English, but still he is trying to speak English, and there are some sentences in which he's speaking very fluently, right? If you have noticed that. So why I am showing you this video? I am showing you this video so that you can understand that type of people like him who is on national TV, and they are not thinking about the people, what people will say. Why are you thinking, guys? You don't need to speak on national TV. You are just speaking in front of 2-3 peoples. Then what are you waiting for? Just start speaking and don't think about people, what people will say, because कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का तो काम है कहना. To be honest with you guys, people will say. There are some people who will say it's good, you are trying good, keep going. There are some people who will laugh at you, who will make fun of you, but they are making fun of themselves, not yours. Because if someone is trying to learn something, definitely he will learn. Maybe after 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 year. But what after that? After that, no one is going to laugh at you, okay? The people who was laughing at you, they will appreciate you in future. So why are you thinking about those people? Just take my example. You are thinking definitely that I am very good enough in English, right? You are thinking that. To be honest, guys, I can't speak continuously. Still, I am speaking in front of you. I cut that area because I really don't want to make a long video, and I'm not ashamed with this thing that I have some problem while speaking. There is some problem while speaking in English for me also. I just speak, okay, without even thinking about grammar. I never thought about grammar at all, okay? Just speak and look at me where I am. I'm on YouTube, guys. A lot of people will see me. As you can see on my camera video, I was not speaking with one person only. There are hundreds and thousands of people who are watching me, and a lot of people are judging me at the same time, but I really don't mind with them. If you are not going to practice this thing, it's not going to be your initial language. Initial language is the language that you use to speak a lot, and you want to speak English a lot, then you have to practice this language, okay? And the second video is this.
Yeah, I live here.
You live here.
I live in desert.
Oh, in the desert.
Yeah, in plastic. Thank you, but I don't go in school.
No, I
No
heard.
reading, don't writing,
Yeah,
just I talk English. Yeah, because I'm poor, just I make henna and only make dance. I'm just marketing, walking, my mind and then recording. You can help me?
2 women who never went in any school, never opened any book, and still can speak fluent English. How is this possible? Let me tell you one thing. They really don't care about what people says. What is the common thing in both video? Well, I'll tell you. The common thing is, in first video, someone is trying to speak and he is speaking in front of everyone without even thinking what people think about his English, right? In second video, same thing is happening, but you can see the improvement. Hindustani Bhav and that lady, they really don't care about what people are going to say about them, what people are saying. They are still speaking English because they want to speak English. Maybe Hindustani Bhav wants to learn English, and that girl really, that woman really needs English language because she wants to survive in that area. First situation, Hindustani Bhav wants to speak English. He is interested in English, not so passionate, but he wants to speak English. That's why he's speaking, okay? And the level is in that he can understand very well. He can speak whatever at least he know, he can speak that without any hesitation, without any lack of confidence. He can speak very clearly. If you have noticed that, I know he don't know enough English. He's just speaking, but he is at least practicing, and he is speaking. That's the main thing. And if he's continue like that, one day he can speak like the woman who is speaking very well English, I guess. Now you are going to say that women have an environment, right? she have a lot of tourists with whom she can speak English, right? This is what you want to say. And obviously that's true. She have some benefits, but at the same time you have a lot of benefits that you are educated enough. She's not educated, she never went to school at all, and still she is learning, still she is speaking just because she is practicing, she's observing from the people, she's listening, kept in mind, and then speak. She's just doing mimicry, nothing else. And this is what you have to do. Start speaking from now. If they can, you can too, guys. It's not that big deal that you can do this. There always be a chance of possibilities only when you try to speak. Okay? If you are not going to try, if you are only thinking of such type of excuses that I'm not going to do this, I can't do this, I'm not able to do this, I don't have environment, I don't have this, I don't have that, there's a lot of problems, then think about only problem. Because if you think about the problem, there are lots of problems in your life. But if you are thinking about the one single reason why you're willing to learn English, then maybe you motivate yourself a lot. Please stop saying yourself that you can't and keep practicing. Not, it doesn't mean that you have to say again and again that yeah, I am practicing, I will do. No, do right now. Start speaking from now. This is the thing that you have to do to speak English fluently, to speak English. Leave the fluency, first start speaking, start using English, start thinking from mind. I have given you 5 tips, great tips. Those tricks are not invented by me. You can see on any YouTube channel, there are the same things. Everyone is saying you to follow those tricks. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, start learning from now. Please don't think about the people, what people will say, because people will say. You can't make them stop speaking, right? And if you can't do this, then don't think about that. Start speaking from now. I hope these 2 videos can motivate all of you to speak English fluently, because if they can, you can too. Never thought in your mind that you can't. You can do everything, okay? Just speak this thing. You can do everything. Whatever you want, you can do this. Everyone can do anything. Trust me, there is nothing that we can't do. Trust yourself. Believe in yourself, okay? Start speaking from now and see the result in yourself. I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something good. I hope you get motivated from this video. So please don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel, and you can also follow me on my other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, named as Ashvi Thinks. All are with the name of Ashvi Thinks. And let me tell you why I am going to say you that please follow me on any other social media platform. To be honest with you all, guys, I really don't trust anything. Like, I don't trust on YouTube. Maybe something happens, and then where I'm going to find all of you all of you guys. So just stay there with me so that I can connect with you there also. Okay, I don't have anything on Instagram, to be honest with you guys. I don't have anything, trust me. I don't used to post a lot on Instagram, but still I am requesting all of you to follow me on Instagram. So if there's something wrong happens on YouTube, at least I can connect with you on my Instagram platform. Okay, there's nothing else. Please keep motivating yourself with those types of video, and stay tuned with Ashvi Thinks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment.